Too heavy. No. Too black. So many choices. Oh, so many choices. You know, picking the right outfit for a big concert is just as important as picking the right instrument for your song. And that reminds me of the time when we were recording our latest hit in Sydney, Australia.
We'll always be here for you. We'll always be here for you. We'll always be here for you.
Well, you gotta love that.
It's very good, Colonel Clefman.
Yeah, it's far out, Colonel Clef.
But, honey, we were thinking we might like to try some different sweet sounds on this single.
Well, something maybe like a rockin' wind instrument.
Oh, wind? You want wind? Okay.
Woman! Oh, this really serious, man!
Whoa, that's not exactly what we meant, Colonel Clef.
We were thinking along the lines of a woodwind instrument.
Oh, of course. Now that's what I call a family of instruments. Oh, you kids are good.
Woodwinds are instruments like the oboe, the bassoon, and the clarinet. You blow them, and for most types of woodwinds, you have to use a wooden reed to help make the sound. When you blow, the air passes over and under the reed, causing it to vibrate and make a sound. It works the same way as when you use a blade of grass to whistle, but it sounds a lot nicer. Instruments and outfits. They've both got their own distinct personalities, so it's important to pick the right one for the right job, no matter how long it takes. All right, bring in the next one. Ha! Right.
Music power!
Believe in the beat.